All right, guys, we got a pretty cool product right here. This is for your 1967, 1972 Ford F100, and you're trying to put air conditioning in it. Now, there's not a lot of options for air conditioning in a 67, 72 Ford F100. That's just due to the fact that they didn't come with air conditioning. That was something that was an add-on from the dealer. Maybe you took it down to your local Sears Roebuck and they installed it for you, and you had air conditioning, but it's usually something mounted underneath the actual dash. And so, but if you're trying to clean it up and do something a little bit nicer, and you want to get the controls, you take out the old, the heater control, that comes out, and then you're left with this little spot right there that you can actually put the AC controls, heat, fan, and all that stuff. So what we did is we designed this very cool little aluminum billet piece right here. And if you kind of look right here, this kind of looks like the bump side of your truck. So we tried to tie it in and have it look good. And then we have the Restomod AC knobs right here, the little Stealth mini knobs that go right here, and those can go right there, and you can actually have controls that look like they were designed to fit. Now, you can get, some guys I've noticed, they've actually painted this little back section right here black, and so just the bezel is shiny. Some people have done the whole thing black, so we kind of sell it just like this, just because everyone has a different idea what they want to do. So a lot of ours will actually just kind of right here, we'll just kind of fill this with black paint and call it a day. You can also do a brushed finish on it or whatnot. And so pretty cool little product. We use these all the time in our 67, 72 F100 pickup trucks, and it allows us to just have a simple installation, clean, doesn't look out of place. And then we would tie this in with another product that we'll be displaying here shortly, which is a valance for the bottom and the vents, and allows you to kind of tuck this up nice and neat underneath your dash. And so that's actually coming out here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll show you that. But pretty cool little product, real simple, easy to use, screws on from the back right here, and you're ready to go, and you got your AC controls in your truck immediately. Very cool. I forgot to say, please be sure to subscribe and like our channel. It really helps us feel motivated to keep producing these little videos for you, and parts as well. And subscribe, that also helps you get up to date on the latest things that we're coming out with, especially if you're going to be looking for that AC valance that we're coming out with soon. You're going to want to make sure you subscribe so you get first ones there, because guess what happens? First one's there, get to buy it, then we run out, and then who knows how long it's going to get, because turns out supply chain stinks. And so, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also go to the F100 Coyote Swap page. There's a lot of great information on there. People doing a lot of great stuff with their Ford pickup trucks. So we'll see you next time.